Hi, my name's Tony Knowles. I'm the VP for Global HR for SPTS based in Newport. We're a semiconductor capital equipment manufacturer with over 250 people in Newport and 500 people globally. We've been invited in as part of an engagement programme to work with businesses to gain a greater understanding how the Welsh Assembly works. It's been an incredibly informative day. We've been really pleased with the level of attention that we've received, but also some of the committees that we observed in action, particularly around the STEM subjects, which is particularly interesting for us, as we're really keen on developing the relationship with graduates, apprenticeships, particularly in the engineering, maths and science-based areas. I think that what it enables us to do is to probably have greater contacts, know how to access things like the Assembly members now more than we would have done before. We really want to make sure that we've got a close understanding of what the Welsh Assembly does and how we can leverage key activities that will help us as a business, but also help Wales as a community as well. I think it was really good, the fact that we've managed to have a tour of the facility, which is very, very good, and given us a greater insight, not just to myself, but to the team that came here from the business today.